Hey guys, just a quick video here. One of the main questions about RaceDeck or any other flow-through type flooring is how do you clean under it? So I had a little bit of oil spill. I was doing an oil change on the Golf R last week. Had a little oil spill. You can see we got a little dirty there. Not a ton, just about a cup or so from the old filter. So now it's time to clean it up. But oftentimes I get asked about, well, what if you spill a fluid under this stuff? And here's the answer. It's pretty easy. You can see it comes out in big interlocking sections. And all you need to do is when you're looking at the flooring, you'll see the side where the locks have this blocked off portion. That's the male side that goes into the female. So you're just gonna grab a clip or hook and pull up on that side and it'll come up. And then you just need to stomp it back in place. So you can peel up a whole big section. I mean, I could peel up this whole side of the floor if I wanted to, but it's not necessary to do that. You just bring up a little piece, get your paper towel, wipe it up, stomp it back down, and you're done. I'm just using a cheap, I think this is like a $3 pick from Harbor Freight. Comes with a whole set of them for that amount of money. So yeah, that's it. It's super easy to clean under here. You can do it in big sections, not difficult, super easy to work with. But the really nice thing is, like I said, I did this last weekend, and you know, you don't have to clean it up in the moment. You're not beholden to the spill. It doesn't ruin your day if you spill a bunch of fluid. It'll be under there when you're ready to clean it. You don't have to do it at that exact moment. Cleaned up, and now comes the most satisfying part. Perfect. And just like that, we're all back together, all nice and clean, and we can finish cleaning up the Golf.